in Krishna's office, we have a family gathering kind of thing which has Hawaiian outfit theme. I immediately got a little creative and I wanted to make a tutu skirt for Kiki. Today I am going to show you how to make tutu skirt without any stitching. It's super easy, it looks really cute. I am going to show you that. And we are not sure if she's going to wear the same outfit to that party. That's a totally different story. But yes, I'll be showing you how to make a tutu skirt. I have this skirt which I bought from online shop. This is for Kiki. I'm thinking I'll make her wear this. On top of it, I'll be making a tutu skirt. On top of this, I'll be doing the tutus. We have this beautiful net fabric with butterflies.
It was in my birthday.
So we got this fabric for her birthday. We could not use it properly as an outfit at that time. Now we are going to use it. I have taken one satin ribbon which can be tied into a knot. We can use elastic as well, but right now I don't have elastic, so I am going with this. You can pick any fabric of your wish. Need to be folded in half and take the length as per your requirement. We need to cut small strips of fabrics, like maybe like this much width, and just go straight. So all the strips can be just knotted over here. I will show you how to put a knot with the fabric strips. I am using net fabric because it doesn't need any finishing, it doesn't fray. Here I have like 4 inches to 5 inches width of fabric, that would be fine. Okay, let me show you how to tie on this. I have this body form, so I am using it, but if you don't have any, you just need the ends to be held in any place. Hold the middle of this fabric, take the whole fabric through this and pull it out from this fold. There you go. This is called lark's head. So that's one. You keep doing that all around, as many strips as possible. Let me just tie everything and then show you guys. There you go. I have tied all these strips all around. So you will have a wraparound kind of thing like this. So that's the DIY. Yeah, if you like it, let us know in the comments below. If you are planning to make the same kind of tutu skirt for your kid or for yourself, don't forget to post a picture on Instagram and tag me there. My handle is right here. If you are new to my channel,
subscribe.
And don't forget to click the bell next to it. Until next time.